So my name is Tobias Hofmeister. I'm head of prototyping for Flexergy. So we are a hydrogen compression company, and the work that we've done with ETP it's been really fundamental to us because we had an idea, and then we got two projects funded by ETP. One was with the University of Strathclyde to really model the thermodynamics of our system, and it was a 10K project, and that enabled us to then go out to investors because we, through the modeling, had the academic validation that we can be 30% more energy efficient than current systems that operate in the market when we integrate compression isothermally with storage. And then the second project to actually further de-risk the work that we're doing was first of a kind ETP project. So we got 30,000 pounds funding for a project with St. Andrews University. And in that case, because we're using a liquid piston technology, we've been looking at what are potentially available liquids that we can use that are economically viable and provide the right properties that we need for compressed hydrogen. So in our case, since we're basically coming from an early TRL stage, the academic validation has been really powerful to not only validate technology, but then also be able to create a narrative that becomes really credible towards investors. So from that perspective, it's been business-wise really useful for us, but then also from a just human to human, I'm still friends with the professors that we had for our first ETP project, friends with professors and the researchers for the second ETP project. And so I think it goes beyond. I feel we've built connections that our company will nurture throughout. And over, I think, the months and years to come, we might even be able to draw on resources from students, from PhD students, from these universities to come in through other funding streams, potentially the knowledge transfer partnerships to bring that wisdom from academia into how we create value for society.